Hey, guess what, folks? You can now officially option the half doors on your new Jeep Wrangler. The nifty door option is now available on the Jeep configurator site. Jeep has teased official factory half doors with no window frame and manually removable plastic windows since the debut of the JL Generation Wrangler in 2017. Now they finally become available to order. Autoblog has discovered an option on the add half door to the 2021 Jeep Wrangler from the factory via the off-roader official configurator tool. The option is available on both 2 and 4 door Wrangler variants, as well as every trim save for the fancy high altitude in the 4xe hybrid models. There are 2 types of half doors to choose from. The standard version gets you the basic fabric upper position, while the premium version gets you the higher quality upper section, power heated mirrors, and speed sensitive self-locking system. According to Autoblog, the standard half door will cost you $2,350. That's $2,350 on the 2-door model and $3,995 on the 4-door model. Stepping up to the premium set will cost you $200 more for the 2-door and $400 for the 4-door. Keep in mind, these doors will come in addition to normal full-frame doors. So if you're in the mood to switch, you can. And this is just straight up awesome, folks. Jeep has yet to make half doors available for the Gladiator pickup. We don't see why one can't buy a set to add, as the doors share part numbers. If the option proves popular enough, we wouldn't be surprised to see if they added it to the Gladiator configurator as well. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.